Hi everyone, introducing QR code shortcut extension using which you can just press Alt plus Q in your keyboard and it will open the QR code for that particular website that you are in. Then now if you scan that QR code, then it will take me to that particular website from my Chrome browser in desktop to any other device that you want. So the interesting thing about this one is that you can put in any other information also. So let's say you have a mobile number. Now you go here and just click on this and you say generate a QR code as a call. So now if I scan this, let me scan this, then I can call that number. The call is going to that particular number. So now if it is email, then I can just go in here and let's say we have a Panasonic email, right? So now I'm just going to say here generate QR code as an email. So now if I go here and scan this, it's going to generate an email directly. Okay. So now if I want to transmit any information, let's say a complicated password, let's say this password. Now if I want that to be copied into my phone, I can just go here and scan it, then I can just turn it back to the link here, then just do that, then I can copy it. Okay, so that way I can transmit information also using this QR code. So I hope it's useful. Thank you very much.